often get asked how to do a through wire. How do you get the hole all the way through? No, lots of ways to do it. In the lathe, you drill through from both ends until it meets up. But this is a simple way. Use a skill saw, groove, very shallow groove on both sides so that they match up. So bear with me, it's going to get a bit noisy, and we'll see how it goes from there. So there you have it. You now have a hole all the way through. A lot of light today. Lovely sunny outside. I'm in the workshop. But all you now do is match it up, line it up, opposite ends, so that the grain runs, opposite to each other, and you'll have a lovely effect. What I now need to do is temporarily glue this together with a bit of super glue and put it on the lathe. I'm going to do a bit of what's called offset turning. Offset turning, the result is similar to this. This was done offset turning, and as you can see, it's got a lovely shape. That's what you end up with, a bit of offset turning. Simple, effective, takes away a lot of time carving it by hand. Yeah, let's get it on the lathe. So what I do is I've got a 2mm wire here. I'll put it in the groove, get the other piece on top. That will line it up nicely. Keep it up nice and straight. All I have to do is put a couple of drops of super glue, clamp it, and wait for that to go off, and then put it in the lathe. Hopefully that shows up nicely. What I've done is I've done it, put it in the lathe. Lined it all up just to where I want it. It's glued together temporarily with some super glue, so yeah, let's get on with it. It's going to be a bit noisy, so bear with me. you can see, I've got a little problem here. This is must have had a little flaw in it, so I'm going to spin this around because I want this cup to be my finish. Better. Much better. So basically I've got to fit this end off center now, off center to that, and take off the side that I want a little bit out. Yeah, and I need to change this tailstock for that, so let's do that. Live center, as they say. That's better. You don't have to go much. I'm literally going about 3 millimeters. It's all got to be pretty accurate, otherwise you end up with a really strange situation. Live centers now in the new mark. And if you see, it's completely off. That side's still good, but this is off, so I'm going to be removing some material over here. want to start biting into the back. You don't want to start biting into the back of the lure. So that's good. I can tidy that bit up with a bit of paper. Get the idea. I'm gonna take this back. So I want to shape that down. There you go. See, that will tell you when you're going too much. You go start digging into it around there. Nice curve to this. The rest you can carve, you can shape it after that if you want to put flat sides on. But as this is, it'll walk nice. So you can make an angled cup, flat cup, or that way so it pops more. Big splash on the surface, but you get the idea. I'm just going to sand this down. I'm not going to record that, it's just boring stuff. So yeah, as you can see, if you can see that, that's the rear of the thing. There's two centers, and that's how you go about it. Very straightforward, very simple. It's old as the mountains. Lovely timber, but the grain's a bit loose, so it tends to chip out. So yeah, bit of sanding, and that'll be another lure. That'll work. I like it. You've got all your center lines there to help you lead up to that hole. You can make that hole bigger to take a slightly bigger wire. Any drill bit will now follow that groove that you've made. Perfect. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks. Bye. Well, there you have it. There was a nice curve to it. Looked like a bullhorn. We'll call it that. I like that. Bullhorn. So, yeah. Easy peasy. But imagination and off we run. And timber were lovely, lovely, lovely grain. I'll put a bit of sanding sealer on. Looks very good. Bit of tidying up. Decide of how I want that face to be. At the moment I'm looking at the flat face. I can't see why not. It'll work. Yeah, you've got guidelines for any extra weight you want to add or not. I reckon the hook, the front hook will be around there. Yeah, I do like it. Anyway, till next time, I'll continue this and show you the end result. It's got to be a hole here for a nice big strong swivel. Probably something around the 6 to 800 pound rating. At least 2mm wire. Yeah. See? There you go. Thanks for watching. Till next time.